Good morning, everybody. Hope you can listen to me. Today is expiry trading on Bank Nifty. Since tomorrow is a holiday, today is the expiry. Okay, let us go into the order flow charts. Market is yet to start. The pre-open is over. I don't know where the pre-open is settled. Pre-open has settled 27 points, 29 points lower. We will see what the market will do today. If you are hearing any disturbance, it is because of the construction going on in my neighborhood, so you have to bear with us. Market is about to open in another 10 seconds. It is opened. Market is opened down. And look at the order flow charts. A lot of sell orders, but not very significant. All small orders are there. The chances are very high that the market will bounce back. Very small orders. Yesterday's positions are being covered today. The delta is only minus 140, so it is not supporting either on the downside or on the upside currently. We will see how the order goes. I will change into the 1 minute candle. This is the second minute. There are no significant orders anywhere. There are no smart buyers either. So it will be quiet until at least 1 o'clock. Let us see after the 5 minute candle is over. Buy orders are coming in, but not very significant. Delta has turned into positive. very small volume. It is third minute, 3 minute candle, the third 1 minute candle. We'll wait till the zero zones are coming in. This first minute candle low is broken. However, we will take into consideration the 5 minute candle. There is one aggressive buyer here. Seller, 300 lots. Delta shifted into the negative side. I will change to the 5 minute candle because that will give us a clear picture. $318 order is here. That doesn't seem to be like a pure seller. Some absorption is happening. Still there is no trade. Let us see what is happening in this chart. Sell orders are there, but not very significant. Big numbers are not there. So although the cart is supporting on the downside, I don't want to take any trade here. I am expecting the market to bounce back. Second minute candle is opened. The market is bouncing from the current previous candle low. Give me a 2 minutes time. I'll be right back. market is not going down at this time. Let's see, now it is going down. There is some smart buyers here. The smart buyers have entered in small volumes. So smart sellers have entered in small volume. You will see what's happening. We will see whether it will break yesterday's closing. This is yesterday's closing. It is getting rejected from that point. Probably expecting the market to bounce from here. Let us see if the data supports. The market is in a very tight range from 570 to 640. 570 to 640 is a very tight range. It has to break these points on either side to make a movement. This is yesterday's low. The blue line is yesterday's low. Yesterday's closing. Excuse me. This candle will be deciding where the market will go. I mean, in which direction the market will move. Expecting a bounce from here. As I told you, it will be trading from 42,570 to 630 or 640 in that range. And if it is breaking 510 on the downside, we can see further downside. It has to break 510. No numbers are supporting on the downside. Okay, now we can take a trade on the downside. Because this number, previous candle number is supporting. This is a 5-minute candle, you should remember. I am waiting for it to trade below this line so that I can take it confirmatory trade. Although this number is supporting, I am not buying. If I buy, I'll buy somewhere here. I'll buy the put somewhere here. Since it is a red candle, if it turns green, I will buy the call. And again, the data should support. The delta should support. It's all negative, although it is reducing 700 to 500 to 150. Next, we will see what will be the delta. If the delta turns positive, we can expect an up move. This is early hours of trade, so we have to give it some time. Most of them are cover orders. There are not fresh sellers. The cover orders, BTST calls. These are all BTST. So we have to check whether it is a genuine buyer or genuine seller. They would have bought yesterday. They would have covered here. All these people. I don't see any genuine sellers here. I see one or two genuine sellers here in this first candle. Some small buying is coming in, but not very significant. Tata Motors gave an excellent move yesterday, right from the beginning. Tata Motors is in a very big uptrend. And Manappuram also is in a big uptrend. $42,000 43,000 call and 42,800 put. The put delta is decreasing. Put delta is decreasing. So the market is expected to bounce back from here. The line I have put is very significant. It is not that simply I draw a line somewhere. Very significant points of trade. Market doesn't go in a fancy direction. It is all planned and it is moving according to the smart buyers and the smart sellers or the institutional investors. A 43,000 call this is. It is bottoming out, we will see. It's just 12 rupees. It is dropped from 40 rupees today. And yesterday's closing was around 80 rupees, I think. No, around 55. Until we get a confirmation, we are not going to trade. Some more sellers are coming in. Some are fresh sellers. We will see there if they are smart sellers. They are huge. The calendar for buyers, the Candle has to be very volatile and huge orders should be there. Yes, now there is one stop loss hunting is happening. Stop loss hunting is happening. See, 380 orders in one lot, one block. Still the data is not supporting. It is only 800 and 100. Now it is supporting, but we have to see this point is very significant. This is the buyer zone, smart buyer zone. I want a bounce back to sell it. I cannot sell at this level and I cannot keep the stop loss here. So I want a bounce back. To buy or sell, I want a bounce back so that it supports my trade and I can keep the stop loss at appropriate levels. I cannot keep 50 points or 100 points as stop loss. This is a buyer zone where it is hit. This is a buyer zone which I marked in green. So let us wait and see what is going to happen in this candle. The COT ratio is not supporting. Only the delta is supporting. I need everything to support. I need the COT ratio around 8 or 9 or 10. Here also it is only 5 and 7. Let us wait till the candle closes. It is not putting anything. I can't jump into a trade like this. A huge sell order is coming in. Don't be like overexcited that the market is falling and you cannot take a trade. When you take a trade, it has to be successful. If you take a trade here, where will you keep the stop loss? You cannot keep 50 points or 60 points. If you have bought 10 lots, you will lose some part of the capital in that case. So the stop loss should be as less as possible. So we have to find an appropriate spot for that. I will be watching the 42,470 level. To take a trade on the upside. Watch 43,000. call. Just watch, don't take a position because it is far out of the money. When you take a position, it has to be like in the money or at the money, at least at the money. Absorption happening at the lower level, you watch these candles, serious absorptions are happening. The market is not going down, neither it is going up, it is trading in one point. Look at this, absorption is happening at the lower level. Absorbing all the orders. See, it is trading only at this point now and this point. Just keep watching the numbers. They're changing significantly. Lot of absorption is happening. This is the power of order flow. You can see what's happening there. The market is refusing to go down. There's a lot of absorption happening. 10 rupees, 25 paisa. There's a lot of absorption happening in the 43,000 call. Same here. A lot of absorption happening in this area. That is why the options are moving like that. However, I am watching for this area. There has to be a reversal here and a dip for me to buy. It has to go like this and then bounce back. So I will be buying here at this point if the data supports. The delta and the COT ratio and the commitment of traders, everything has to confirm the trade. See, now the delta is very small, 15-20. I am watching for this 470 level. Although the candle is suggesting buy orders, I am not buying into a trade. I want this point to be crossed. Market is there every day, so you don't have to worry and don't rush into a trade. You should know why you are taking a trade and where you will exit. It should not be that the loss will be infinite and the profit will be limited. You reverse it and the profit should be infinite and loss should be limited. That is our goal. We have to keep a tight stop loss. See if it the point of reversal, you can see yesterday, day before yesterday, and this is probably on a Friday. You will see what will happen to the Friday opening point. Will it be taken out or will there be a rejection? Absorption happening. I will not be taking any trade until I come. It is trading in this point. There is a reversal. It is trading at the low point of the day. This is another very crucial support. Remember, support will become resistance, resistance will become support, and the market is going in a reverse direction. for people who expected market to go up, it is given a jolt for BTST sellers especially. It is trading at a Friday's low now. There is some point of rejection. It has to happen. Wait for the rejection. Trade with patience. Don't jump into a trade. None of the delta or the COT ratio is supporting. See, after the third candle, this is 0.6, 0.1, 0.4, 0.24, 3 and 0.27. So in this kind of scenario, we cannot buy. This 17, this is 0.5. But these are all not pure sellers, only some are pure sellers here. So we will wait for this candle to decide. Max delta, cumulative delta. Cumulative delta is also increasing. I want big buyers to come in. I don't want to trade with retailers. Although I'm a retailer, that should be the tendency. Otherwise, we will lose the money. They're not smart buyers as of now, or smart sellers as of now. The delta is positive, the COT ratio is positive, everything is positive. Delta is supporting the buy. As I told you, this point is trading at Friday's low. The global cues are supporting. Dow Jones has closed 100 points above yesterday. We will see what the Dow futures are doing. Minus 71. It can change within 1 or 2 hours. Market, if this does not trade above this candle in the next move, market may fall further. Because this expiry, this point is very important. Don't jump into a trade. And decay will be very fast. By the time you finish calculating and all those things, the prices would have gone lower significantly. So let us wait and watch. Don't jump into a trade. We want a complete bottom out. Instead of this 200, 300 delta, we need 2000, 3000, or at least 1000. So I will stop for now. I'll come back when there is a significant movement in the market. I will go live again when there is significant movement in the market. Happy trading till then. Don't lose money. Trade carefully. Don't jump into a trade. Thank you.